Hello everyone. In this video session, I am going to provide answer for one of the Java interview questions. That is, what are abstract methods? What are abstract methods? Let me explain. The methods in Java, okay? The methods in Java which are specified with abstract modifier are known as abstract method, guys. The methods in Java which are specified with this abstract modifier keyword are known as abstract methods. These abstract methods won't have method body, guys. Okay, the normal methods will have the method body. When you compare the normal methods with abstract methods won't have the method body, whereas normal methods will have the method body. Let me practically show you how the abstract method looks like. Okay, how the abstract method looks like. Let me create a class, say car class I am creating, guys. You can create any class name here. You can provide any class name here while creating this class. So inside this car class, I am creating a normal method first. Okay, I'm not creating an abstract method, guys. First, let me explain a normal method. So public void start car. Let's say the name of the method is start car, and this is a normal method, guys. The normal method generally has a method body like this. Now inside this method, I'll write some code. Okay, I can write some statements, Java statements I can write. Car started I can write. Okay, sample statement I wrote inside this method body of the start car method. Okay, normal methods will have the method body. But how to convert this normal method into the abstract method? As I said here, the methods in Java which are specified with which keyword? Abstract modifier keyword are known as abstract methods. So if I, before this return type, if I type something like abstract here, this particular method will become an abstract method. Okay, so when I provide this or specify this particular method, normal method with this abstract modifier here, okay, then this particular method will become an abstract method. When you hover the mouse, you are getting a compiler error because here there is a method body. In general, as I said, abstract methods which are specified with this abstract modifier keyword will not have the method body, but here it is having the method body. So that's the reason, guys, we are getting this compiler error. Abstract methods do not specify a body. That means this particular method is specified with abstract modifier here. That's the reason the method body is not allowed. Okay, just remove the method body and put a semicolon here. So guys, this is how the abstract methods will look like. The methods having or specified with abstract modifier and doesn't have the method body are known as abstract methods. So still you are getting an error, guys. The reason here is since this is an abstract method, okay, the class which is holding this abstract method should also be abstract class. Okay, it cannot be normal class. We cannot have the abstract methods inside a normal class. Okay, we have to add the abstract keyword here also. Abstract modifier should be specified for the class in which the abstract method is available. Okay, so here this is the abstract method. So the next point here is abstract methods need to be created under the abstract class. So normal classes cannot hold abstract methods. So normal classes cannot hold abstract methods. To hold the abstract methods, we have to make this class also abstract class. Okay, by specifying this abstract modifier, this class will become abstract class which can hold abstract methods. The next thing is, this is all about the classes, guys. Okay, abstract methods and classes, relationship between the abstract methods and classes. So what about interfaces? If I create an interface, say bank interface here, click on finish. This is a bank interface, guys. So by default, all the methods that you are going to create inside this interface are by default abstract type, guys. Okay, just create some method, public void view account balance, some method I am creating. So if I try to create the body for this particular method, even though this particular method inside the interface looks like a normal method, still it is giving a compiler error saying that abstract methods do not specify body. That means even though you don't specify abstract modifier here, by default, all the methods that you are going to create under the interface are by default abstract. Okay. So internally, these methods are abstract, guys. Here in classes, you have to manually type abstract modifier or specify the abstract modifier for the methods. But in case of interfaces, you don't have to specify any methods with abstract modifier. Internally, they are by default, they are abstract methods only, guys. That's the reason by default method body is not, okay, cannot be, okay. Methods cannot have the method body by default in the interfaces. You cannot create the method body. If you try to do so, it will say that abstract methods cannot have the method body. Even though there is no abstract modifier specified here, by default the methods, all the methods inside the interface are abstract methods, guys. Okay. So guys, this is all about the abstract methods. First of all, what are abstract methods? Methods specified with abstract modifier are known as abstract methods. And these abstract methods will not have the method body, second line. Then abstract methods need to be created under the abstract class only. Okay. You cannot have the abstract methods inside the normal classes. Then all the methods in an interface are by default abstract. So they will not have the method body by default, guys. Okay. So guys, hope you got the answer for what are abstract methods. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.